So guys, subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for the updates. Today in this video I am going to review the all new Hyundai Verna SXO last but one variant. So before going to the video, I would like to give credit to the showroom for allowing me to shoot this video. You can contact them for any sales inquiry or on-road price only if you are from Karnataka. So this is the all new Hyundai Verna SXO last but one variant. So this is the polar white color BS6 variant you are looking at. So Hyundai Verna comes with the 3 engine options, that is a 1.5 liter MPI BS6 petrol engine, which makes the maximum power of 115 PS at the 6300 RPM and mated to the 6-speed manual gearbox or the IVT automatic gearbox, and 1.5 liter U2 CRDI BS6 diesel engine, which makes the maximum power of 115 PS at the 4000 RPM and mated to the 6-speed manual gearbox or the 6-speed automatic gearbox. And the last engine option is the 1 liter Kappa Turbo BS6 GDI petrol engine, which makes the maximum power of 120 PS at the 6000 RPM and mated to the 7-speed DCT gearbox. So the on-road price of this Hyundai Verna SXO petrol variant here in Karnataka is 15.79 lakhs and the diesel variant SXO is 17.45 lakhs. So coming to the headlight, you can see you are getting the all LED setup headlights with the LED DRL. You can have a look at it. So both the high beam and the low beam are the LED now. This is the projector fog light, you can see. So this is the front grille, that is the chrome grille. So coming to the wheel size, you are getting the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. You can see that is the dual color. So this is the ORVMs, body colored ORVMs, the LED turn indicators on both sides. So you can see the driver's side chrome door handle with the request sensor. So this is the rear wheel, diamond cut alloy wheel. So some of the safety features of this Hyundai Verna SXO variant are driver and passenger side airbag, then side and curtain airbag, electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, hill start assist control, ABS with the ABD, reverse parking sensors, then rear camera with the dynamic guidelines, then front projector fog lights, then ECM with the telematic switches, tire pressure monitoring system, then automatic headlamps, headlamp escort function, then central locking, impact sensing auto door unlock, speed sensing auto door lock, then smart key, rear defogger with the timer, seat belt reminders, speed alert system, seat belt pretensioners, then height adjustable front seat belts, immobilizer, dual on, ISOFIX, then burglar alarm and emergency start stop signal. So these are the huge safety features of this Hyundai Verna SXO last but one variant. So you can see the tail light there, which is the LED light. I am showing it to you. So this is the LED tail light, the combination of the indicator and the reverse light. You can see the SX badge also. You can see the Hyundai logo in the middle. So you can see the Verna logo on the left. I'm showing it, showing the LED tail light. So you can see the 4 parking sensors on the rear dual tone bumper. So this is the rear defogger on the rear windshield. I am showing it to you, and this is the shark fin antenna on the roof. So this is how the Verna looks from the back profile, that is the side angle. So coming to the boot space here, you are getting the 480 liters of the boot space in this Verna, new Verna. So you are also getting the boot light, that is the luggage lamp, you can see. So you are getting the 15-inch steel spare wheel. So I am closing the boot. You can see the reverse parking camera here. I am showing it to you. This is the reverse parking camera. with the number plate lights, you can see. I'm closing the boot now. So coming to the interior, the driver side here. So this is the request sensor for the keyless entry system. So this is the dual tone doors, you can see. So this is the driver side door. So you're getting some controls here for controlling the electrically adjustable and retractable ORVM, then power window controls, then lock unlock button, etc. The 1 liter bottle holder you can see, and the speaker. So this is the how the cabin looks. This is how the cabin looks from the outside. I'm showing it to you. So this is the driver seat here with the height adjustment knob and the reclining function also. So you can see some controls to the driver's seat right side here. That is the traction control on off switch and the instrument cluster illumination button and the headlight height adjustment. So this is the all new fully digital instrument cluster with the MID, which shows distance to empty, average fuel economy, trip meters, then gear shift indicators, then some of the information that is related to the car controls, which you can control from the steering mounted buttons there on the steering. So you can see you're getting the digital RPM meter and the digital odometer now. So this is a fully digital instrument cluster. It is also showing the which door is open like that in the graphical interface in the MID. So you can also control some of the settings of the car like this. I'm showing it to you. So by pressing the buttons on the steering mounted control, you can see you can just tick or untick. That means you can turn off and turn on the some of the settings of the car. So this is the steering mounted control. On the left side you are getting the volume buttons, then controlling the MID like that. On the right side you are getting the cruise control, the buttons for controlling the MID. So this is the leather wrapped gear steering wheel, you can see. So this is the touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, then voice recognition, then front and the rear speakers, front tweeters, Bluetooth connectivity, Archimedes premium sound, steering wheel with the audio and Bluetooth controls, Hyundai iBlue application, that means you can control the media infotainment system by sitting in the back seat of the car using a application, that is the Hyundai iBlue app on your mobile. So I am going to show you the settings, some of the settings now. So this infotainment system also supports navigation. So I'm going to put the car into the reverse gear now. You can see I'm putting the gear into the reverse. You can see the reverse parking camera with the dynamic guidelines. So below that you have a fully automatic AC system like this. You can control the fan speed and the temperature. So below that you have the cooling seats, that is the ventilated front seat controls. You can control the ventilation in 3 stages like this, from low to high. So below that you have 2 sockets for charging your mobile. You can see one is the 12 volts and one is the USB, and another USB port for the media. And this is the wireless charging pad. So this is a 6-speed manual gearbox in the SXO variant. So this is center console with the two different size cup holders and the parking brake. So driver seat armrest, underneath some space. Slidable driver seat armrest. So this is a wide angle view of the front dashboard. So this is the auto dimming IRVM, that is the electrochromatic mirror with the telematic buttons. Front cabin lights, you can see. This is sunglass holder. So these are the front cabin lights, you can see. So this is the switch for the opening and closing the sunroof. So I'm showing it to you. This is how the sunroof opens. And this is how it closes. So you can see the driver side, this one with the mirror. And this is the passenger side sun visor with the vanity mirror. So both the sun visors are having the mirror now. So this is the collapsible grab handle on all four sides. So this is the passenger side dual tone door. So you can also observe the glove box here with the cooling function. So coming to the rear cabin. So coming to the rear cabin here. So this is the rear side door. You can see the dual tone door here also with the power window switch and the 1 liter bottle holder and the speaker. So this is how the rear cabin looks from the outside. I'm stepping inside the car now. So this is the rear AC vent, you can see. And below that you have some USB socket for charging your mobile. So front seats has height adjustable headrests, you can see. So this is a wide angle view. And even the rear seats are having the height adjustable headrests. And this is the rear seat armrest. You can see the height adjustable headrests of the rear seats. So this is the rear windshield curtain here. You can use it like this. And this is how the front cabin looks from the back seat. This is a wide angle view. You can see the sunroof also. So I'm showing the dashboard from the rear seat. And this is the collapsible grab handles, you can see. Rear cabin light. You can see the Kotuk also here. So this is how the rear cabin looks from the outside. So friends, if you are planning to buy the Hyundai Verna SXO last but one variant, so I hope this video is helpful for you. There is a last variant, that is the SXO turbo variant also. So I'm going to review that model in the future videos. So subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for the updates. You can see how the car looks from the wide angle view. Thank you.